So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how you are going to achieve your 4,000 watch hours in less than 30 days. If you want to grow your channel, especially your 4,000 watch hours, it is very simple to achieve your 4,000 watch hours when you follow these simple steps that I'm going to mention now. Most of the small YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers, find it difficult to achieve their 4,000 watch hours. But in today's video, I'm going to list the number one is niching down. I've seen so many creators saying that niching down won't help you to grow your channel, but I'm here to prove you wrong. That when you niche down, you have like 90 or 80% of growing your channel faster, because you have a particular audience that will come back to come and watch your videos, unlike when you don't niche, when you did not niche down. Because when you did not niche down, now let me explain it more better. If you did not niche down, if you have if you are into different niche, like tomorrow you do a video about how to make money online, tomorrow you do a video on how to achieve your 4,000 watch hours, tomorrow again you will do a video on how to use natural remedies to grow you will not grow, because you have different audience that will watch your videos. But when you niche down, when you customize your channel and niche down, stand on a particular video, you are going to grow more faster, because you have one particular audience that will keep on watching your videos, even run your playlist when you niche down. But if you didn't niche down, you have different audience that will be watching your video. So I will advise you to niche down. If you are a new creator, you have to niche down for you to achieve your 4,000 watch hours as simple as fast as you want it. Okay, so another thing again that will help you to grow your 4,000 watch hours as fast as is creating a playlist. Now that you have niched down, you have to create a playlist about your videos. If you are into lifestyle, now you have to create your playlist according to what you do in that your lifestyle content. Okay, so when you create your playlist, your audience will keep on watching and watch and rewatch and rewatch. But when you didn't create a playlist, you're not going to grow fast. Okay, it's going to slow your growth. About to achieve your 4,000, it's going to slow your growth on getting your 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so another thing you're going to do again to achieve your 4,000 watch hours is to add your end screen and cards. Cards. In one of my channel like that, I didn't have any end screen, I didn't have end cards, and all this delay my growth about achieving my 4,000 watch hours. Do you understand? So you have to, when you finish uploading your video, you have to add your end screen, add end cards. It will help your channel to grow more faster, because once your audience finish watching a particular video, another one will pop up through that your end screen or end cards. It will pop up. Then if the video is what your audience is looking for, he or she will be eager to know what happened in the other video. Do you understand what I mean? So it's very important to have end screen. It's very important to have your end cards. I don't know whether you know what is end screen. End screen is those pop-up that comes after, that is like some seconds after your video finish playing. So they are what we call end screen, while end cards are those ones that pop up as I'm making this video now. Another video will pop up. That is what they called end cards, and they are very important to grow your 4,000 watch hours in the sweet of this white tea. Okay, so another thing again that will help you to achieve your 4,000 watch hours is to follow trends. Follow trends. Trends will help you to achieve your 4,000 watch hours, even give you subscribers. But today, let's talk about your 4,000 watch hours. When you follow trends in your niche, not in other niche, like if you're into lifestyle and you see that a day in my life is trending in your niche, please play that, make a video about a day in your life. Or if a day in my life as an introvert is raining, or a day in my life as a Lagos babe, or you know, that kind of a thing, please make sure you follow the trend so that you achieve your 4,000 watch hours fast. In this street of YouTube, we are not here to play. We are here for passion and also to make money, so you have to follow the trends to achieve your purpose in this street of YouTube. Okay, so follow trends. And again, if you're following the trends, make sure that the trends are based on your niche. Don't follow trends that are not in your niche. Okay, follow trends that are in your niche, not trends that are not in your niche, so that when you gather those audience, they will keep on watching your other videos. But when you follow trends that are not in your niche, oh boy, you're not going to grow. You're going to remain there. After you finish gathering your 4,000 watch hours, you will remain stagnant. But when you follow trends that are in your niche, you are going to skyrocket. Another thing again that will help you to achieve your 4,000 watch hours is using hashtags and tags. So hashtags are those ones that you add after your descriptions. So they are the hashtags. They are called hashtags, and it's normally used to be up to either 3 or 2, but it will not pass 3. So they are called hashtags. Why the tags are add? So hashtags used to be up to 3. You cannot add more than 3 hashtags, and you add hashtags after your description. Those tags that you add after your description, they are called hashtags. Why tags are different from hashtags? You can add up to 4, 5 tags. Okay. So make sure you use your tags, and make sure as you're adding those tags, hashtags, make sure it resonates, it match your title and your description. Okay, so follow these steps to achieve your, when you follow these steps to achieve your 4,000 watch hours, will be as easy as ABC. Okay, please, if you watch this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Let's take this channel to a permanent place. Okay, now let's continue. Another thing again that will help you to achieve your focus is to create a thumbnail. Create a catchy thumbnail. Create a catchy thumbnail. Your thumbnail speaks a lot about your videos, and they are the first thing that your audience will watch before they are the first thing your audience will see before they click on your video. So whenever you are creating a video, make sure you create a catchy thumbnail. It helps a lot. It helps to achieve this 4,000 almighty 4,000 watch hours that is choking we small creators. Okay, so these are the things that you're going to do to achieve your 4,000 watch hours faster. Okay, so another thing again that will help you to achieve your 4,000 watch hours is to optimize your title and description, even your thumbnail self. Optimize the, let's for instance now, how you are going to optimize your title, your description and your thumbnail. If you are making a video about how to get your 4,000 watch hours, at your thumbnail there, make sure you include how to get your 4,000 watch hours at your thumbnail. Then your title, make sure you make use of how to get your 4,000 watch hours at your title as well. And in your description, in the first line of your description, make sure you use how to get your 4,000 watch hours in your channel. It will help. They are going to push your content to the more wider audience. Okay, so guys, I'm going to stop here, and if you follow all these steps, you are going to achieve your 4,000 watch in less than 30 days. In less than 30 days. Okay, so if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. Okay, see you next time.